Okay friends, in this video we are learning how to close all your recent applications in a one click. Okay, with a one click. So iPhone does not support this feature. Only Android phones support this feature. So you can simply press this menu button from here, and you can simply see all your recent applications, and there is a special button for it, close all. Just tap on it. Now your all recent application is closed. So is this good? Yeah, it is good. And sometimes we make some mistakes, like we also close some important application which one is not being closed. So you can set some exceptions in this list. So you can set a WhatsApp, like WhatsApp application we use each and every time. So each time opening these applications, it use more data and more battery. So you can simply set an exception list for WhatsApp and other your applications. So whenever you press close all application button, it is only close which one is not included special list. So that's it guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any more tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.